Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Al Hilal 2. Was it really a tough game? For me, the Sundowns just made things very difficult for themselves. This game was not supposed to be a draw. I'm going to show you why I say that, right? Sundowns game plan, Al Hilal's game plan, and poor passing or poor decision making from Sundowns. Yiyo into eyenza ukuthi i-game ibe difficult or iphele as a draw. Very poor. As a Sundowns fan and as a football lover, very poor game from Sundowns. This game was not supposed to be a draw. Manje, both teams have 5 points. Sundowns has played 2 games at home. Bayenza izinto zibe difficult for themselves again, just like last season. Let's start. Sundowns game plan. We all know that they play a 4-2-3-1, right? So this is what they want. These are the midfielders. This is their number 10, this is their winger, and this is their winger. But they play as half 10. They always come inside. Matthews, no Sales. They don't stick out wide. So normally they are full backs. The left back, and this time they are right back. They are the ones who will be this side, right? Sharp. But I'm sure, Guti, most of you guys who've seen me analyze the Sundowns, seniors already, Guti, how they like to shape up. So the game plan all the time, I change it, is to always play through the middle. It doesn't change. What they want to do, they want to have spaces. There's a space for is this Sales Angbonigash. Whoever is this guy, Santos. Yeah, this is Santos. They always want to have space in the middle. Now they want to confuse again. They want to confuse the right winger and the right back, because now you have to play zonal, and you need to know, guys, when you play against Sundowns or Pirates, you have to play zonally, and you have to be good in zonal marking. This team is not good at playing zonal marking. These two, now they are confused. Matthews, Buffett, no. Sundowns has been having a problem on their left-hand side. I don't know why they haven't signed a winger, another player, Elizodlala Lapaya. Because Matthews, he's got a chance to turn. When you go inside the pocket, Buffett, when you go inside the pocket, you must always scan. You must know good when, because here he has a chance to turn with the ball or pass here. But it decides to move. We play it here, we lose it. Another example is Sundowns playing through the middle. If we are playing a 4-4-2, the zonal marking here to affect, it needs to be good. We have to cut down. We have to cut down the passes as those are pagat nenda, especially if those are straight, right? Because this winger supposed to be here. Now there's 2 Sundowns players that are unmarked. This guy is the one that's supposed to go and cut down the pass as those are straight. Because these 2 now are confused. Now watch, he's gonna play the ball there. Poor decision making, Santos there. But you have a chance to pass la umuyumtwana. It's 4 against 3. 4 against 3. Now I'm gonna show you Le Al Hilal, the first goal. I can show you a lot of clips as the Sundowns playing in the middle. But mind you, the video is going to be too long. Asien. Al Hilal goal. Sundowns was on the attack, Lana. Sharp. You have to defend properly. You have to. If you don't defend properly, you are going to concede goals, Buffett. You are going to concede goals. Stunner. I'm shy. But here is the problem, right? Look at Umukwena. It's either you are going to cut this ball here or this man. Not to wait for Santos. Ukuthi akudlule, then when ufuna ukukhatha ibhola la. Remember, guys, Umukwena is a 6. He is the one that's supposed to be defending the defenders. He's supposed to be shielding our defenders. So he is supposed to be here, right? Block this guy from going forward. Abuyele move. But if Uzala, you are trying to be smart, but this guy, he ends up coming here. Yeah? And when you are the one who's supposed to be protecting the defenders, as a defensive midfielder, you're supposed to defend, you protect the midfielders. But when you decided to go to ufuna ukuhlakanipha, ufuna ukutshontsha ibhola, i-winger, if izoza ngapha, ufuna ukutshontsha ibhola. No, defend properly. Why ungafuna ukudefenda kahle? Another example, i-gameplay yale team. Labantu abafethu, for me, abekho mnandi. They just have individual brilliance. Ama-player wabo amnandi, the wingers, but mara bafethu, mara Sundowns. Ungazodraw nale team le, they only have ama-wingers are good. Their midfielders are not creative. It's only nje ama-wingers wabo, especially on the left-hand side. Yeah. Al Hilal is a good team, not a great team. Not a team that can come here, izodraw nani. Let me show you ngikhuluma ngani. This team bathanda ukwenzana ne-man marking foot here in the midfield. Now, I want you to watch Santos, right? Santos is playing as a winger but comes in as a half-turn. Angithi sharp. But focus here kakhulu, especially on this guy. What does the left back? Ibuyela emuva. The ball will go to the left. This is the 6. He's a midfielder. They space here. They don't pass the ball. Who's this guy, man? Santos could have passed the ball here, but he doesn't. Keep the ball. Nothing wrong. This team, they don't know how to mark here in the midfield. They don't know how to do that. They don't communicate by a move and shit. Just keep on watching. This guy, Uzagupi, Busales. Instead of doing a zonal marking, you can't have a CTM marking a winger or someone who's playing as a half-turn. No, you can't. You have to do a zonal marking. They don't do a zonal marking here. The ball goes back. Watch. Now he moves here. What is this guy doing? Ball watching. He's looking. Ball watching. Makes a run. Bah. Let me take it. Oh, thingy fast forward so that you can see. Ball watching too much. This team is not a good team, Bafit. This team is not a good team. The line was bad. This guy is ball watching. Nalona, mara. A good pass there. Now the finisher ga Sales nayo. Hey. I said I'm going to show you Sundowns' poor decision making or poor final pass in the final third. Very poor. Very, 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 very poor. Look at this space here. Pass the ball here. Pass the ball there. You are looking for a champagne pass. Eh? Ufuna champagne pass instead of a simple pass. Another poor decision making, another poor pass. Now Matthews, run with the ball here. Why ufuna ukupasa? Phela upasa kanjani? Mara bafethu no, mara bo Matthews nina nidlala ngathi nina. Hayi. Ayikho lento le. Eh? Mara bafethu hayi. Trap, push the ball. Bafethu. If you go back to last season in Sundowns, where they had Uribero would get the ball here, in the same position and run with the ball. Yeah? Don't look for a champagne pass here. If you run with the ball here, then you have plenty of options. You have plenty of options. It's either you can pass there. Imagine if Ukishima uzane bola la. One of these two, they have to make a decision. You have Usales here, you have the left back there. When you decide to pass the ball, like this, bafethu lona larixwayela lo. Yo bafethu. This was a nice build up. Yes, you could have played the ball there, but okay, sharp. This was a nice build up. Run with the ball. Attack the space. Sugar. Ngeke uswini Champions League ngama player aso. Attack the space. You pass there again. Pass there. This is a difficult ball, my man. It's a very difficult ball that you are trying to play there. Second half, guys. Second half, I'm going to continue with Sundowns' poor decision making. But what I want to show you is a 3-man press. As if when you go and press, if it's a goal kick, you go and press with 3 players. Most teams don't know how to do it properly, right? And it's just one small detail. Now, because of the Super Sport now, they like showing us some fans, showing us our coach. When the ball started, as Bonang, right? But now, I know Guti, this was a goal kick. Santos was here. This is who is this man? Allende. So if you are going to press with a 3-man, you must always have your player in front of this guy. Because if he's at the back, the keeper is gonna pass this guy and pass here. So what happened here is this team, they were smart in this instance. Bayenzani, one guy was dropping. This is Cupido, the defender. This guy dropped here, was Supasala, because Usantos was here, he started here, and then Magayo pressed. This guy played the ball there. Continue with the pressing. Sundowns eventually by Zani, but we need ball, of course. Abekom Nand. Remember, I spoke about the final pass, decision making. The pass, it needs to be a good pass. This was a poor pass for me. You can't pass like that. Upaseli pole move. Matthews na a footy chase your banana. You see that the new striker, Oyashkuti, pass the ball because he wanted the ball on his right foot. Great tackle there, Paya Allende. He wanted the ball on his right foot. He's not. Agakomnanding on left. You need to know your players, your teammates. Yeah. Kabanga, if he had passed a firm pass, I'll trap untanga besaya shy. Yeah. Not this thing that they are doing there. Now watch. Again, Not even a minute. They are what? They are starting the ball from the back. The 3-man press, right? And then you show Allende needs to be in front of this guy. Then this time we are pressing from the right hand side. Utinu referee uti restart. Watch again. It's a 3-man press. They try to play long. This was a 3-man press. Sundowns wins the ball. I want you to show you Guti. Le ball liphelela kuphi. Corner kick, right? It's a corner kick. I want you to look at the time. Angit. Sundowns' second goal was a short corner. Before I show you that goal, let me show you something. This was the shot. This was in the 49th minute or 50th minute. When it's a corner kick, if they send 2 players to take a corner kick, nani, you send 2 players. If they send 3, you send 3. 1, 2, 3 Sundowns players. Lona isa mutho 1. And even this corner Sundowns ithateka because you have the right kicker. The person who takes the corner kick, it needs to be a right-footed. This one needs to be a left-footed. Ukuthi azoshaya i-outswinger, lo uzoshaya i-inswinger. Angithi sharp. Let me take it back. Look at uMokoena. Yakhangeza ngiphakeleni, but because of Matthews Omrena Jesu. They don't play uMokoena, they played long. Okay, sharp. This is what I wanted to show you. Now here comes the goal. I hope guys you are going to remember the previous clip engibonise yona. Ngithi ngimbonisa isikhathi. Right? The 3-man press. Look at Allende. Uyambiza, woza, come duze. It's because these guys, they don't know how to mark. They don't know how to mark a corner kick, a short corner. It's 1, 2, 3 here, but they send 2 players. It's wrong. Again, Nala Sundowns is wrong. You can't have a right-footed player here. It needs to be left-footed. But because Al Hilal ilele, they get punished. You can't send 2 players if there is 3 players taking a short corner. You cannot. Nizokhala. One, 2, 3. Nina send 2 players. You didn't learn from the first corner kick. Pa. One last clip of it. The problem, Champions League football, they always talk about how you play Champions League than E-League, right? Sometimes there's no need to go attack. No, you need to manage the game. Upasedin, this is Upasedin. Bayamfaka because of he's got more experience than Usibi, right? But he comes in when the nyama nje udlala inyama. Bafethu. There's no need for you to do that. There's no need for you to go and attack because it's costing 2-1. When so you are rushing. There's no need for you to do this. Back pass by Mukwena nala. Okay, sharp. Now Mupasetin. He stops the keeper from taking a quick pass. This is Upasetin. Now he goes back, ubuyele move. Right? This guy, what does he do? He plays it long. Now he's out of position. This guy, wenzani? Upasetin ulele playing an offside trap. Watch what he does again. What? Mara bafethu. Bafethu. You can't clear the ball. Lize enyaweni lakho, your strong foot. You can't clear the ball. You can't clear the ball. Sometimes we like to blame coaches ukuthi why bangadlalisi ubanibani, why bangadlalisi. But mababafaka niyababona bayenza inyama. You can't clear the ball. Bafethu. We are waiting for the whistle. Why were you waiting for the whistle? Now lipola liza la kuwe. You can play this ball for a corner kick. Yeah? Mara Upasetin mara bafethu. Baba ngihla blame keeper mara clear the ball. Yini into enzima pass uyampasa. Come on bafethu. Guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always watching, support. Most of you guys, ngiyabonga bafethu. If it's your first time watching, please like, please share, please subscribe bafethu. Ngiyabonga.